Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to cover another important topic for selecting our forex broker. Okay, and here we will discuss customer service support. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so my dear students, either it is any online business, okay, either it is offline business, customer service support is going to play a very important role in your business. Okay, and it could be source of attracting customers toward a broker, toward your business. Okay, so it is very important. If you are providing a good customer service support, if you are providing good care to your clients, to your customers, then you are going to make a huge business in the long run, in the future. Okay, so customer service is always very important for any business, and especially in terms of forex trading it is going to be very important. Okay, as we know that forex market operates from Monday to Friday, 5 days in a week. So brokers should provide at least 24 by 5 minimum support, at least 24 by 5. But nowadays many brokers provide, like IC Markets, XNEX and other brokers provide 24 by 7. Their customer service support is always remain open 24 by 7, 7 days in a week, because for any kind of broker their customers should be their first preference. Okay, if you are dealing well with your customers, then that's okay, you are making your business in the long term. Okay, so good brokers provide 24 by 5 minimum support, but nowadays many brokers are providing 24 by 7 support. And why should be this support? Okay, now it could be for any kind of problem like trade execution, order closing and payments problem, deposit withdrawal. Okay, if clients have any kind of problem like trade execution and their order closing, so your support must be present at your website to deal your customers. Okay, and good brokers always keep their support 24 by 5 minimum in a week. Okay, so customer service is very important for dealing with the customers. Okay, and for providing them best services. Another thing is that nowadays good brokers are providing account manager to their clients. Okay, like for example, whenever you are going to open a new account on any new broker, they must call you. Surely they will call you, they will ask you your trading history, how much knowledge you have. And nowadays good brokers are providing educational material, because whenever their customers will be successful, they will trade more, they will earn money. So a broker will get more brokerage, a broker will get more spread from their trading. Okay, so they are also providing educational material nowadays. So all of these terms are very important for any kind of broker, for any kind of good broker. And if a broker is providing you such terms, if a broker is providing you such things, then that is a good broker. Remember, you are investing your money and you are handing over your money to that broker. Okay, you are trusting these people, so in return you should expect such type of things from your broker. A good, in fact best customer service support from your broker, you should expect them. Okay, so this was the explanation that how customer service going to play an important role in selecting your broker. Okay, thank you so much.